So do you want to know how to make an app with easy and simple steps? For this, you have to go to Chrome and search Google Firebase AI. Then click on Get Started. Then click on those three options, tick them and confirm. And here we have to write the main topic, meaning which type of app you want to make. You have to click this button, Prototype with AI. You click on this option, Prototype this app, and then you can get the edit option. Through that, you can change the color or the layout. Also, you can make changes from this box. Describe the change you want to make, and you can change it from the box below. So, I'm changing the color. There I am changing the blue color to black. I don't know the color code, so I'm just writing black and saving it. So, our app is ready. Now we can edit it with this tool, add elements and drawings. Okay, then you have to enter your Gemini API key. You can auto-generate one or go to the Gemini API AI website to create a key. Then click the Continue button. This icon, you can get a VS Code-like environment and you can edit the code like a developer. Step is to click Publish. You'll see three options: Firebase project, link cloud build account, and setup environment. First, click Next on the Firebase project. Then, enter your Google Cloud account details. Finally, set up your environment, and your app will be published.